red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, brown color, and light pink color. Let's repeat. Red, yellow, green, blue, brown, and pink color. I learned alphabet A to Z and 1 to 10. Uppercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's paint. Red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cherry. D for donut. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grass. Yellow color. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. Green color. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. Blue color, V for vase. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's counting. Number 1, 2, 'Brown color, number 3. Number 4. Five. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. And number 9. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Let's repeat now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.